Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Dell UltraSharp 434K USB-C Hub Monitor U4323QE, check the link in the description. This is one of the most impressive productivity monitors on the market, built for anyone who needs an expansive workspace, reliable performance, and advanced connectivity. At 43 inches and 4K resolution, it offers an enormous canvas for multitasking, creative projects, and professional workflows. Sitting in front of this display, the first thing you notice is how much space it gives you. It's like having 4 smaller monitors seamlessly integrated into one panel without gaps or awkward alignment issues. You can easily run multiple applications side by side, keep spreadsheets, reference documents, and editing software open simultaneously, and still have room to breathe. The sheer clarity and scale make every task feel more manageable and efficient. The panel itself is a highlight. Dell's IPS technology delivers consistent brightness and accurate colors across the entire screen. Whether you're looking at text, graphics, or videos, everything remains sharp and vibrant. Uniformity is excellent, and anti-glare treatment ensures that reflections don't interfere with visibility. For people who spend long hours in front of their screen, these details make a noticeable difference in comfort and productivity. One of the most powerful aspects of the U4323QE is its USB-C hub. This isn't just a monitor. It's a central hub for your setup. USB-C delivers up to 90 W of power, meaning laptops stay charged while connected. At the same time, the monitor acts as a data hub with multiple USB-A ports, DisplayPort, HDMI, and Ethernet. It simplifies desk organization, reduces cable clutter, and allows for a one-cable connection that handles power, video, and peripherals simultaneously. The monitor also shines when it comes to multitasking. Picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes make it easy to view multiple inputs at once. You can monitor different systems, compare data, or manage multiple devices without ever switching cables or rearranging your workspace. This functionality is perfect for designers, video editors, content creators, developers, and analysts who rely on smooth workflows. Build quality is solid and professional. Minimal bezels, a stable stand, and thoughtful design choices make this large display feel premium without being flashy. It blends into any office or studio environment and feels sturdy enough to last for years. The flat panel design keeps everything aligned and consistent, which is critical when working with detailed content, spreadsheets, or timelines. While the focus is clearly on productivity, it's important to note that this is not a gaming monitor. The 60 Hz refresh rate is more than sufficient for work tasks, content creation, and media consumption, but it won't compete with high refresh rate gaming panels. That said, its color accuracy, resolution, and massive screen real estate make it a dream for professional applications where precision matters more than speed. Comfort features are also notable. Flicker-free technology, low blue light mode, and the anti-glare coating combine to reduce strain during long work sessions. Combined with its massive 43-inch canvas, this makes it an excellent choice for anyone who needs to spend extended hours on complex projects without fatigue. Ultimately, the Dell UltraSharp 434K USB-C Hub Monitor U4323QE is designed for people who want a single screen that replaces a multi-monitor setup, simplifies desk organization, and enhances productivity. Whether you are a remote worker, creative professional, financial analyst, or engineer, this monitor provides the clarity, scale, and connectivity to elevate your workspace. If you're ready to experience the productivity benefits of a large 4K display with full USB-C hub support, check out the link in the description to grab the Dell UltraSharp 4323QE. It's a monitor built to handle professional workflows, simplify multi-device setups, and deliver a cleaner, faster, and more productive workspace.